This is the folder structure inside the CakePHP directory. The two folders you need to be aware of are the app folder and the lib folder. The lib folder holds the core CakePHP framework files. We do not want to edit any of the files inside this folder. If we ever update our CakePHP, the files in this folder will be overwritten. The app folder is where we will make our edits and additions. Let's take a closer view. There are a few more folders in here than inside the main directory. Let's go through each of these. First is the config folder. This contains a few of the configuration files such as the database connection, core configuration, and bootstrapping. If you've already gone through the installation of CakePHP, you'll know that we edited a few of the configuration files in this folder. The console folder holds console commands and console tasks that, on occasion, will execute. The controller folder contains our application's controllers and components. The lib folder will contain first-party libraries that do not come from third parties or external vendors. This keeps our libraries separate from third-party vendors. These first-party libraries are generally libraries that we as the developer would create for our own application. The locale folder stores the string files needed for internationalization. The model folder will contain our application's models, behaviors, and data sources. Basically, the contents of the model folder interacts with the database. The plugin folder is where you'll put your plugin packages. The test folder is a directory that contains test cases and test fixtures for our application. The temp folder holds temporary data, such as caching. The vendor folder will hold third-party libraries and classes that we want to include with our application. The view folder will hold all of our presentation files. This includes views, elements, helpers, layouts, and error pages. The web root folder will serve as the document root of our application. This folder will also hold our CSS files, JavaScript files, and images.